I greet you. I greet you, ma. How's your family?
Ọkwa nke kịta ịghọta guy odogwu unu bịa nọ nke kịta ihe ji wee si ya nke kịta is
Abụọ ka m odogu nọkwa gidigbam gidigbam.
just
No,
narụ bi ụda ahụ o ji wee dị
don't mind me. I'm not.
there is no need to pretend for
Eh,
now you are doing good you are doing well
thank
ka m
you.
bido from greeting nnekene ndị niile nọ in the building good evening Biafrans. And I did not forget the last time I was in your program.
Mm.
Something happened. I'm very sorry. I didn't even remember to send you the reason, but it's well, just the children balava.
No, I noticed it. I noticed it immediately now. I'm
It is the way I just coughed off and I didn't come back. When I came back, I just kind of text in a comment section and
yeah,
later left.
I
So
understand. It do
they're not
happen.
important.
It do happen to me
Even
here.
that I'm somehow hiding so that I can not they are already making noise there, but I just like left them that so to make the video. So meanwhile, Orejigo na nke ikpeazụ
I tell you.
ọdịgo ka ọ ya dị na nke ikpeazụ ana na-agba yara yara.
I tell you.
All those statements from all this from DOS to that get that go make you put the sense. You know that.
Mm.
So after I'm late, I came late, but I watched that the post about the suspension, the suspender that suspend this. One guy is so you got yeah, no, this one
Oya chụrụ na side na suspend mmadụ. So
yeah, no, how we go that? Oh, if I eventually say that you okay, when our leader called the learned people to lecture, they took it to be an insult. Now tell me how to explain it to you more than what you are seeing now. Ọbọnde n'obi sara ọha ọbụcha profession ọha nọ na na-ekweche mba Chineke mekwara mere ihe Chineke na mekwara mere this word sometimes I found it difficult but thank God for all those the kind of open eyes to me just to understand it better that when you hear those words you don't take it just a kind of insult. It's reality that we are seeing now. Meanwhile, how it is happening now is just like the Alibo adage that says, or they call the power,
or the god they go.
you are that. Because what you so pretense. Oh no, what you want it today. Apart from even this our movement, in general, if you watch what is happening in fact in the whole world, it's all this pretense. And try when you are kind of supporting evil, when that evil will expose, you will not be all that proud to come out to be bugging because you already have attached yourself with the evil because you are gaining something from it. That is just what is happening now. Because I don't see the reason why, in all this, from the beginning till now, that these people wouldn't know, even their followers wouldn't understand that this is scam from this fallback. A lot of evidence to prove it to them, yet they are not getting it. There's a statement that says, what are you saying anything?
No, I'm just laughing because they don't know that this is scam.
Imagine, so all these things that is going on, they cannot yet evidence here and there yet. Just like this one added that says there is no amount of conviction that will make you to convince an idiot. I don't know. There's a way that they made that statement. That is just what I am seeing in all this. Because yeah, from the beginning, day one, even the video you played here, from the Finland, the convention, the declaration,
Mm.
you started from there. Why can't you ask question? Why are they not okay? Is it changing of date is your problem? Yeah, should it be a problem? If plan Charlie, the most important thing we need that thing that you want to happen have already taken place. What is the problem then?
The
Why
annoying,
are you
do you
dragging?
know the annoying part of it, or is after committing all these crimes, exposing themselves, they'll turn around and say that there are three wise men. three
Imagine,
three
imagine.
wise
And
men.
the worst part of it is that these people that are following this now that that Biri and Elias have now made it openly to call themselves gatekeeper. What does that mean? You hired somebody and that person turned to be your boss. It's unbelievable. I am still trying to get it. We are trying to run away from colonialism. And these people already sold it before our eyes. To tell us that we don't have rights on our own, but these people now have say over us. We don't have say again in what belongs to us. Illegal the struggle before I get with our nation. God forbid. God
Oh,
forbid. And
oh, oh, that,
still
that mindset, my
I
sister.
still I still wonder how these people are still doing it. And to the one Ishocha that is now like they are now bombarding themselves. But even in all these things, how will you in all those groups, if you say that maybe this one is the one you support, or maybe can you tell me how you will somebody that is truthful somebody? Today you will say yes, tomorrow you will say no, next tomorrow you will say it's like it's yes or, and you are still telling me that the person is the person is a wise somebody. No matter how you know how to fix word, because you know that if you are wise and you are a kind of evil, you will know how to manage words. You will know how to convince people that black is white.
Mm-hmm.
But for them that they are deceiving is a pity. It's a very big pity, and that is why many people will perish. Because if you can search your conscience, there is no way you will not find out the lies from truth, or to know the reality from thought. There is no way you must in one way or the other verify the main thing. Because as it stands now, anybody that is still there with them, they are just a kind of they are destroying their lives, because it's about to be over. Man, when you hear end time, many people doesn't understand it. And my greatest joy is that this thing we wouldn't have. There is no way that we can do this part on our own. Even our DPM, our PM, and even our leader. But the spirit that is piloting this movement knows the right time to do it, and he is doing it perfectly. So I will not go much further than to say onye kpatara nkụ ahụhụ gwara ngwere bịara ya ọrụ. All this confession will continue, and they will continue to make shame themselves till finally God will grant our heart desire, and ya ga-anọ na nsogbu anyị ana, both from our own people and out of our people, because imana when we say a global conspiracy, it is not just on us. Because afọ m ihe Finland ka ga na-eji na-emezi ka ha bụzi Nigeria adọwahụ dị ka akapụ ha mma sef. But whichever way is coming, I know that Chineke nna mgbada nwụrụ anwụ a nna our leader Nnamdi Kanu kwuru ọ na-eme eme kịta. Our PM agwakwa gị na ịnwa anwa ata ya na ịtagogo cancer. Many people egbogo cancer without knowing. And mgbe ọ gaghị esu na ị na-anụzikwa na o nwere ihe merụ, a sịkwa na ịma, because many things is yet to happen. You just think it's just a mere word, but there is something in that statement. Our leader, it's not only for Nigeria. Everybody is against this movement. It's part of it. So Mbadamwara is on them. Otare Mo is on them. Then only Tana just can say this our PM kwere ihe kwuru gị na njọ ga na-eme na deity bụ njọ gị na ya ga na-eme. Not only that, that a cancer many ejigoro aka jiri aka gotere ya onwe a without anybody ilesi ya ha ji aka gote. So nke ọbụla they will pass through. I will not mercy them because they have taken a lot of lives. And then na onye ọbụla na-anụ at this moment, if you are part of this program listening to me, the only advice I will give you is to keep your hands clean. Otherwise,
exactly.
regret it. And when you are because many people are gaga, their blood is crying for the vengeance of what have happened to them. Until they will suffer. Unless na hichigari. Hachigari what ngezi biro what nkada. Ebecha kwata hichipi menke kanjo. So when I was if you repent and repent for good, I believe that God will forgive and it will be for good too. And in Mekalia, God joy in the good. That's how to come out from your sin. But if you don't have back or you come back, the evil in it, you will still suffer. You cannot suffer. That is where I will just draw it for now. Thank you very much for.
Thank you so much, divine precious. Thank you. You just nailed it. God bless you, and my regard to your family.